कि नायब अमरीकी सदर जेडी वैंस ने कहा है कि ईरान ने अमेरिका के मुतालबात नहीं माने, जिसकी वजह से ईरान के साथ किसी हतमी मुआहदे तक नहीं पहुंच सके। मुआहदे तक ना पहुंचना अमेरिका से ज़्यादा ईरान के लिए बुरी खबर है। जेडी वैंस ने बावर कराया कि एटमी हथियार ना बनाने से मुतालिक वाज़ेह यकीन दहानी चाहते हैं। अमेरिका ने ईरान को बेहतरीन डील की पेशकश की, अपनी रेड लाइन्स और जिन चीज़ों को मौजू बना सकते हैं वो बता दी हैं। ईरानियों को वो चीज़ें भी बताईं जो हम एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते। मुज़ाकरात में नेक नियति के साथ शिरकत करके अपनी शराइत पेश की, देखते हैं ईरानी उसे कबूल करते हैं या नहीं।
We've had a number of substantive discussions with the Iranians. That's the good news. The bad news is that we have not reached an agreement. And I think that's bad news for Iran much more than it's bad news for the United States of America. So we've made very clear what our red lines are. We've made that as clear as we possibly could, and they have chosen not to accept our terms. We need to see an affirmative commitment that they will not seek a nuclear weapon. Their nuclear program, such as it is, the enrichment facilities that they had before, they've been destroyed. But the simple question is, do we see a fundamental commitment of will for the Iranians not to develop a nuclear weapon, not just now, not just 2 years from now, but for the long term? We just could not get to a situation where the Iranians were willing to accept our terms. I think that we were quite flexible. We were quite accommodating. The president told us, you need to come here in good faith and make your best effort to get a deal. We did that. And unfortunately, we weren't able to make any headway. We were negotiating in good faith. And we leave here with a very simple proposal, a method of understanding that is our final and best offer. We'll see if the Iranians accept it.